Hey friends, how y'all doing? In today's video, we are going to be taking these box braids out. You watched me install them about 2 months ago, but they are now itchy, they are fuzzy, and I'm ready to scratch my scalp. So we're not going to do a full voiceover because there's nothing really for me to voice over. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, meet me down in the comment section. I will be in the back by the snacks. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Hope you have a wonderful coming week. Bye.
Not the bang yang, the bang yang, the bang 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 bang, the bang yang, the bang yang, oh 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 oh.